Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your website looks great or good in all screen sizes. So let's get started. So right now, I have opened my Wix website editor. So to make your website good or great, it all depends on how you would design it. So let's try in here. As you can see, we can see my website. So let's try to zoom it out. So you can try to zoom out your Wix, and then as you can see, this will look like this. So what I can recommend you to do is if this right here, if the design right here is actually inside this box, then this will look good on the website. So trying to scroll on your website, you can see everything that look good. So on the section will actually help you design your website because it will provide page breaks between them. So this is what it looks like on a big screen, which is a desktop. So everything that looks right here is actually really good. So let's try to see it once it's been published. So let's try to publish it. And then from in there, click on View Site. And we should be able to see how it looks like right here. So let's try to scroll down. And as we can see, it actually looks really good all throughout right here. So let's try to edit it out for a small screen like a mobile or anything like that. So in order to make this look good on your mobile, what you can do is you can actually apply strips and columns in order to utilize all the spaces that you have right here. So to add a strip, you first need to add a section. So let's try to add a section right here. Let's just choose a black section. Then as you can see, it will be added right here. So let's try to zoom it out so you can see what it looks like. So here's the actual section. So you can move it like this. And then from in there, click on Add Elements. And then in here, you can see the strip. Click on Classic or anything that you want. So for me, I'll just choose the one that is most applicable to me, which is this one. So just drag and drop it in here. And then as you can see, it will be added right here. So in order to change this layout, you can click on this layout right here. And in here, you can add columns. So in that way, adding column will actually help you break down your site contents. And in that way, it will actually help you in order to see your site in a mobile more good. So let's try to switch this one to mobile site. So switching this on mobile site will actually help you edit this on mobile. So you can relate what it looks like right here. So let's try to publish it for now, and let's try to publish. So you can actually meet your site on mobile. So let's click on View Site right here, but let's close this for now. And as you can see, this is what your mobile will look like. So if we didn't add a strip, this whole picture right here will be smushed into one really crampy section. So adding that will actually help you a lot. So when you've done that, you can see that everything actually looks really good. So when you click on this View Mobile site that we have right here, so let's try to open that View Mobile site. Then you can click on this code right here, or you can scan it, and you should be able to see what it looks like on the mobile site, which is essentially will look like this right here, right now. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to know how to show and make your screen or this website look good in all sizes. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.